Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up a blaster box of 2018 Topps Gallery. This is going to be our second one. I broke some cards earlier today, some of those little hanger packs. Got an Anajar, Sato, Acuna, and these are some short prints: Smoke, Jackie Robinson, Strasburg, Keuchel, and then we got this autograph of Christian Yelich. It's not serial numbered or nothing, but it's still pretty cool. Good guy to get. Pretty good ball player. Anyhow, that's what we hit earlier. I think we bought 7 of those hanger packs roughly. That was the big names we pulled out of it. Let's dig into this guy and see what we get. The last one wasn't too bad. We got artist proof of Ohtani. Was probably the big one. We got a Jeter short print, which is pretty sweet. So let's see what this brings us. We got 7 packs, and then we're gonna have a pack of those parallels, which is this pack right here. We'll hit that at the end, and we'll get right into these regular packs. All right, we have Guerrero Jr. rookie card, Justin Verlander, another Anajar. We just showed one of those off, so we got another one now. All right, sweet. And then Chris Sale. And then your short prints, they're going to be over 150, and they usually have like a little nickname kind of deal at the bottom. So far so good. Got an Anajar rookie card, so that's pretty sweet. We have a Trey Mancini, AJ Minter rookie card, Ahmad Rosario, and then we got a Will Clark. Looks like we got an insert here. Marcell Ozuna, Starling Marte. Yep, it's going to be one of those Hall of Famers gallery of Barry Larkin. And then Evan Longoria. We got Sean Doolittle, Rhys Hoskins rookie card. We got a Manny Machado Heritage, and then Miles Mikolas rookie card. We have a Salvador Perez, Dylan Cousins, Chance Cisco, and David Ortiz. Oh, it looks like it, yep. Thought I. Chance Cisco Apprentices. So this is going to be a short print rookie card of him at 190. It's 193, so 150 to 200 are your short prints. I think the odds are like 1 in every 7 packs or something like that. Lewis Brinson, Ryan Healy. Ooh, got a Joey Votto green. This should be serial numbered, I think. Yep, sure is. Right there, 179 at 250. Nice. Green border, parallel of the Heritage insert. And then to finish off that pack, Babe Ruth, the Great Bambino. Last pack of our regular packs, and then we'll get into our artist proofs. We got Jacob deGrom. We got Vargas, Charlie Blackmon, and Brian Anderson is our last card. So let's hit up our artist proofs. We're going to get 4 of them. Hopefully get somebody pretty sweet. Like last time. We got, wow, got something sweet again. We got an Acuna rookie card, artist proof. Nice. I'm going to sleeve that bad boy up. That is pretty darn sweet. So we got an Ohtani and an Acuna in the 2 blaster back boxes that I've pulled in the artist proofs. That's sweet. Jose Barrios. Whoa. And a Juan Soto too. That is a killer artist proofs pack. That is awesome. Probably 2 of the top 5 names you can get. And then our last one's going to be Dustin Pedroia. So just a quick little recap. Joey Votto, green border, got a 250. Our short print that we had gotten was Francisco. A couple of the inserts we got, Barry Larkin, Manny Machado. We got an Anajar rookie. And then things really heated up when we got in that pack. Juan Soto and Ronald Acuna, artist proofs. I mean, I can't think of 2 better guys to pull out of a 4-card pack than those guys. So that was pretty baller, for sure. But anyhow, if you liked the video, please give it a like. Leave some comments. I always try to reach out to everybody that makes a comment. Smash that like button for sure. And subscribe if you haven't done so. And until next time, guys, keep breaking cards.